Hello everyone, welcome to Steam Code and welcome to another episode of our diescord.js Discord series. And in this video I'll be showing you how to kick members with your bot using diescord.js. So let's hop right into it. So first, since we're creating a command, we're going to need a new file. Just call this kick.js. Oops. Let's rename that kick.js. There we go. And we're just going to copy the basic format for ping, paste it right into kick, and then we'll change it up a little bit. So first change the name to kick. Then the description will be kicks the member specified in the command. And then within the execute method, let's just change interaction to message, because this will be a message that we're responding to, not an interaction. So that'll just make it more clear. Then we can get rid of this line entirely. And first we need to determine whether the sender is authorized or whether they have enough permissions to do this, to run this kick command. And the way I'll do that is I'll specify whether the sender is a head admin. So if they have the head admin role. So the way we're going to do this is sender has permission equals message.member.roles.cache.sum role.name equals, make sure to have triple equal sign. And the name of my role has a special character, so I'm just going to directly copy it and paste it. Head admin. Alright, so the gist of what this line does is it just makes sure that the member that you're specifying has the specific role called head admin. So if it was called head admin without a space, then the line would not determine that it has this role. So you need to make sure that everything is spell checked correctly. And then now let's specify the member to kick. So member to kick equals message.mentions.members.first. So what this is doing is it's getting the message, getting all the mentions in that message, and returning the first one that's mentioned. So any other person you mention after this would not be kicked. So you need to use a different command for each member that you want to kick. So now if not sender has permission, so if they don't have the proper permissions, then let's just reply to the message.reply. You do not have permissions to kick other members. And then let's just return so that nothing under this will be displayed or will run. And then else, so if the sender does have permissions, then we'll make sure that the member they're kicking is also not a head admin. So sender has permission equals not member to kick. And then let's just copy what we have here and just paste it. So if the member to kick is a head admin, then we want sender to not have the permissions to kick them. So now we can say within this else statement, if not sender has permission, then message.reply, and we'll just say you cannot kick a head admin. And let's return as well. So now let's just try this out. Let's see how this works so far. Alright. Let's kick at Steam code. And as you can see here, it says you cannot kick a head admin. And under this, let's just say let's have a message to determine whether we have their permission or not. So we can say message dot reply, you have the permission to do this. And let's rerun. So now let's kick at JKL3699. And this is another account I have here for this purpose, so this is not just a random person. And as you can see, you have the permission to do this. Alright, so now let's get into the actual kicking. And really, it's just one line. So, underneath, we're going to say member to kick dot kick. And that's all you need. Let's not save and let's rerun. Let's try kicking myself again. So, kick at Steam code. You cannot kick ahead admin, that's good. Kick at JKL3699. And as you can see, he was just kicked. And so let's try joining back. So I'm just here in my JKL3699 account. And let's join using the link in the description. And it opened up the Steam code, or opened up the Discord app, and now you can see I've joined again. And now we have all of these open. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I hope you've learned something. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, or you can leave them in the Discord, in our suggestions, or in our questions servers. And this has been Steam Code, and I will see you next time.